Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can reset your Windows 10 PC. This also works similarly in Windows 11 if you have. This is really good to do if your PC is really slow and maybe has a virus in it, so you want to reset it, so you remove it completely. So how you can do it is, let's start and begin to see. You go to start here and then click on this gear icon here on settings. After that you will see here update and security, so we click on it once, and then from here you go to recovery, and here you click on get started on reset this PC, get started. And now here you can choose an option. As you can see, we have two options: keep my files, remove settings but keep personal files, and remove everything. This removes everything from your storage. So if you have really slow PC, back up your files, and we click on this remove everything. I have my files backed up, so I don't need to worry about this. My files are safe. Now from here you can choose, you have here change settings, and here if you want to just remove your files, you can go here, and now if you put this on, then you will make it harder for someone to recover your files and cleans the drive. And here as well, this is to make a clean install, to completely remove everything. Go confirm, and here you can see which apps are affected. So now we go next here, and we're gonna wait for this to finish. So this can take maybe 1 hour, 1.5, depends on your PC. Just be patient and wait for this to finish. Okay, let's say for example your PC is really slow and you cannot access the reset. What I showed you before is to go to start again, press and hold shift key and click restart. Let your PC restart. And after your PC restarts, you will go here to troubleshoot, and then go to reset this PC. And then here again you can choose remove everything or keep my files. So I'm gonna choose remove everything, so it removes everything. And then your PC will restart again. And then here you can select the drives, which one do you want to clean install, the Windows. You can do this only for Windows where it's installed, or you can do for all drives. So I will go just for only this drive where Windows is installed, but you can also go and delete from all drives. And here again, fully clean the drive to be 100% sure that it will delete everything. And then from here we're gonna press on reset, and the reset will beginning to reset your PC. So you just have to be patient. Again, it can take several hours, it depends on your PC. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and see you in the next video. Bye.